Very good morning. I'm also doing great. What about you?
I'm also doing great. Thank you for asking. So, how is your morning going so far?
Yeah, it's pretty well and a little bit shining and
Okay,
all hectic because I have work to do. That's why little bit busy.
okay. So, have you had your breakfast?
Yeah, ma'am, I had. What about you?
Same here. I also had my breakfast, and yes, some other works of mine means the morning ritual I have completed. And yes, there is a long day to go.
Yes, ma'am. Literally I was waiting for you. Literally, due to network issue, due to we didn't able to connect each other, but yeah, it's finally we are meeting now.
Right. Time mutual. I was also waiting for you for so long. So, yes, as we are meeting for the first time, so can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, ma'am, giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. Yeah, my name is Sonia Tomar. I'm from UP. And if you talk about my education, so now I'm pursuing my bachelor in computer application. I'm college going student and this is my second year.
Oh,
And if you talk about my hobbies or interest, yeah, I have lots of hobbies or interest, but due to lack of time, I'm not uh, I'm not working right now because of in order to learning this language, I'm only focusing my communication skills and English speaking. So yeah, I want to share some interest and hobbies. So I love to read books. I love to travel, and simultaneously I love to connect with peoples from different backgrounds.
wow.
Yeah, that's all about me. Thank you so much.
Yes, nice to hear about you. It was a great introduction. So, my name is Beena Negi. I hail from a beautiful state, Uttarakhand. I have completed my post graduation, and these days I'm also working on my spoken English. And for that, I'm listening and watching more and more content in English, which I'm enjoying a lot. And yes, speaking with people is my favorite part, I can say. That earlier I used to feel that I am kind of introvert kind of girl, but these days whenever I connect with somebody, I don't feel so. I feel that I am extrovert too. So yes, if I talk about my hobbies, so reading and cooking is my hobby, and apart from that, I also like dancing. But yes, I'm not
Oh,
that much good at dancing. So in future, if I'll get a chance to learn a particular form of dance, like contemporary form of dance, so I will learn that too. So that's a bit
wow,
about me. Thank you. Yes,
wow, that sound amazing.
yes, thank you. As we have a lot of hobbies, but yes, we don't get time to pursue our hobbies. But yes, if
Yes, yes.
it's good to have some hobbies, because apart from our boring life routine, we should have some hobbies which can make us feel happy or energized.
Happy,
Yes,
energetic, and when we are working like interesting and on hobby, so that time we don't able to feel like boring or
right,
monotonous task to do. We
right,
all we feel like a yeah energetic, more energetic, and we can't we don't feel like time is like going on like a we can't able to define it where time is gone when we are able to work that we are taking interest.
right. So I want to ask you that do you have any one habit which you have inculcated in your daily routine and for which you are proud of now? Means apart from this means this language. Apart from learning this language, is there any habit which you inculcated in your daily routine?
Yes,
And
ma'am. In lots of habit nowadays, I am trying to conclave with me, join with me. But yeah, interesting. If you talk about any interesting, so yeah, reading books. It's a lot of like feel happy and gorgeous when I am reading books that
right,
time.
yes,
After, recently I started my this habit,
okay,
and now I read only one book. I read only one book, Atomic Habit. You know, I have interest of non-fiction like self-help books. So
okay,
that's why, in order to be pursuing my interest, so
yes,
nowadays I am engaging with non-fiction books.
right, right. I think yes, it's a great habit to read because yes, it can make you happy and simultaneously it will help to gain knowledge or it will help to enhance your knowledge. So yes, it's a great habit. If I talk about myself, I also inculcated a habit in my life for which I am proud of. Means since 2020, I do at
Wow.
least 10-minute exercise every day, each and every day. Nowadays, I'm skipping on Sundays, but earlier I used to do exercise for 10 or 15 minutes every day. So I feel proud for that. Because yes, whenever I do workout, I don't feel good. Means I not only feel good physically, but mentally too. So
Yeah,
yes,
absolutely right. Absolutely right, ma'am. You know, any exercise, doing any exercise, meditation, it is not only about physical health or not. It
right,
simultaneously helps in mentally. You know,
right,
we feel more energetic, or
right,
like feel very calm, serene.
right.
So yeah, that's a good habit.
It helps us to release our stress too. Because sometimes it happens with me whenever I feel stressed mentally. So I start doing workout no matter what's the time. Maybe sometime I at 10 p.m. or at 11 p.m. I do exercise to feel
Wow.
quite relaxed. Yes. So yes, it helps me. So for that I'm proud of that I have inculcated this habit in my daily routine. Yes.
Amazing, amazing.
Yes. Now it has become my hobby too. But I always forget to tell people that yes, doing workout is also my hobby. Yes, yes. So please tell me about your journey. How did you start and why did you start your spoken English journey?
Okay, ma'am. As you know, earlier I told you I'm in IT sector. I'm
Yes,
pursuing right now bachelor in computer application. So, ma'am, for any MNCs, any private company, it's necessary to know how to express yourself, how to introduce yourself, and how to explain whatever in your mind, whatever things, knowledge, everything. So,
right,
ma'am, earlier I was a girl who never ever tried to speak in front of like relatives, even relatives, you know.
okay,
So I felt like I'm a introvert girl, and I need to little bit be a extrovert.
right,
So it's happened 4 months ago. I started my journey,
okay,
communication journey, or yeah, is English speaking journey. So yeah, I did all things. You know, earlier I did not I didn't have much exploration, or I don't have any knowledge about where I'm start and where I'm lacking. But
yes,
yeah, by watching many YouTube videos, English classes, and everything. So yeah, I'm able to find my weaknesses where I am lacking.
Right.
Okay, ma'am, I didn't join any paid class, nothing. Only
Okay.
I did by myself and free of cost. I didn't spend any single penny from this language for this language, and anything I didn't do. So I did all things by myself, taking taking sessions over YouTube, many free
Right.
of cost sessions related to in order to be learning this language and enhance communication skills.
Right.
So what happened with me, ma'am? I one day I went my college and I came from my college. So I checked my phone.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So I checked my phone. What happened with me? I opened my YouTube feed and um, I checked. I saw here my on my feed one video pop up.
Okay.
Or that video was, ma'am, interview video.
Okay.
Okay, one guy and one interviewer conducted interview in that
Okay.
video. So I saw, ma'am, that candidate had every knowledge about his field, like C++, every knowledge, everything. He had lot of knowledge, but he didn't able to express that knowledge in front of interviewer.
Okay.
So because of this, ma'am, interviewer rejected him, and I
Okay.
felt very nervous. And I decided that day. I decided at any cost I'm engaging myself into this language, and now I'm working on my communication simultaneously speaking skills, because I also felt like I'm a girl, introvert girl, like. So
Okay.
that time I'm able to, I will able to conduct any interview and crack any interview. That time I'm also facing these problems,
Right.
you know. So
Yes.
that time I realized now I need to work on myself. And
Right.
ma'am, that time I decided, and I took it very seriously. I gave four or 5 hours for this
Okay.
language learning purpose and communication skills. That time I didn't have any like any clarity about it.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
for when I think I want to learn this language, and at any cost, I would be able to learn this language. I decided, but one question ask myself, what, where, how I'm able to learn this language. Then I decided, watch overall related to videos in order to be learning this language over YouTube. Search, find lots of content. But ma'am, nowadays plethora of content over YouTube. We
Right.
don't able to decide what is right or what's wrong.
Right.
You
What is
know,
genuine content and what is not? Right.
yes. So that time also I'm feeling like where I decide where I start. And but I took it like okay, I have 4 parts: reading, writing, speaking, and reading,
Okay.
writing, speaking, and listening. Okay,
Right.
so I think listening is very helpful for me. You
Right.
know, it also
But
it helped a lot, because
right.
I don't have anyone to speak this language. I don't have any environment,
Okay.
speaking. this because I only in my family and in society everyone speaks native language, Hindi language. That's
Right.
why I don't have environment. I decide I listen too much from YouTube, and
Mm-hmm.
I listen a lot, 2 or 3 hours continuously. English conversation videos and podcasts, everything. Okay,
Wow.
then I, because ma'am, if I have input, then our mind says like to speak output in this language. So
Right.
first we need to collect input from anywhere. So I have YouTube. I had YouTube. I went for YouTube and recite everything.
Mm-hmm.
So I listen a lot of things over YouTube everywhere. Whatever I get, I got, I did.
Okay.
Then I felt like it's not enough. We need to speak. We need
Right.
to speak.
Right.
Only listening is not enough. You know. So
Right.
I thought now I need to connect with people because
Right.
I had fear to speak. I had knowledge. I had know how to structure sentence, how to reform sentence, But it comes to speaking, my mind goes blank. So I wanted to reduce my this fear. Then
Okay.
I found Telegram. Okay, over Telegram, I have lots of friends. I have lots of groups, and by using that group, now I'm feeling very very much confident, talking to them, talking with friends, everyone. Yeah, now I'm feeling very confident. Earlier that time. So yeah, and simultaneously ma'am, I was calculate and include my one habit more, that is reading habit, because ma'am, reading habit also help a lot in order to be learning this language. It
Right.
corrects our preposition, conjunction,
Yes.
or grammatical errors,
Yes.
everything. So also I very very interesting, or found it very interesting, or very lot help of lot
Mm-hmm.
reading habit also. So yeah,
Right.
this is journey all about me here
Yes.
now. Today I am here in front of you, and I'm conversation with you. So yeah.
Right. I can see the confidence in you now as you worked hard, and that hard work is reflecting on your face, on your confidence. Yes. I can see that your hard work paid off.
Yeah. So may
Yes.
I know your journey?
Yes, as you have started by watching a video on YouTube, that interview video. But I started my journey when I was looking for a job, and whenever I used to see any job description, so I used to see that there is a first and foremost eligibility that you should be fluent and excellent in this language, in English language. At that time, I thought that I'm not good enough. I can't speak with people in English. I knew grammar rules and I knew reading, writing, and all, but I was feeling scared or nervous in speaking. So I thought that I should also start. So initially, I started to talking with myself only. I used to narrate each and everything, whatever I used to do at that time. So I started with myself. Initially, I was scared to talk with Chat GPT also. I used to feel that
Thanks.
how will I speak, how will I make means frame sentences and all. So I started with myself, and after 15 days, I jumped to Chat GPT So I used to talk with ChatGPT too for 40 or 45 minutes in a day. So I started like that, and yes, after 15 days, I started to talk with real person. So my first conversation was with Meenu Puri ma'am, and it was an amazing session from her side, I can say. Yes, because by that session I learned a lot, but yes, at that time I was very nervous and hesitant. Whatever she was asking to me, I was not able to tell the answer to her. So my situation was like that time. She also asked me that what are you doing to improve your English speaking skills these days? So I told her that, ma'am, I'm reading, I'm writing, I'm listening and watching more and more content in English. Whatever I was doing at that time, I told her.
Wow.
But she told me that yes, you want to do each and everything to learn this language, but which is the most important part? Speaking. You are not doing that thing. So you are lacking there. And you
Okay.
should start speaking with people too. And after 15 or 20 conversation, you will be confident. Just do this. So, and she suggested me some application too, some free application where I can do audio call. Because it happens in video call, we hesitate more. Yes. So she told me that if you want to do audio call session on audio call too, so you can go for that too. But I was quite confident in video calls because I can see the expression of other person.
Yes,
I can
yes,
see their
yes.
facial expression. So yes, I feel confident or I feel good while talking with people on video calls. So for that, I had conversation with people on YouTube. I used to send mail to people to connect. And yes, simultaneously, I also created my YouTube channel so that by my means where I can post my videos and I can rectify my mistake that where I'm doing mistake and where I'm going wrong. But initially, I didn't watch any video of mine after posting that video because I used to feel nervous or I used to feel quite awkward by watching my videos again. I didn't want to see my mistakes at that time. But
Yes, yes.
initially, yes, but gradually I inculcated that habit too that I should watch my videos again and again so that I will rectify my mistake. So I did that too. And yes, means making a channel on YouTube, it motivated me a lot that yes, I can, and it helped me to be consistent in my this journey. So for that
Yeah.
too, I created a YouTube channel. And yes, if we are posting videos on YouTube, so yes, people also send us mail or people also comment us that, ma'am, we want to connect with you. So yes, it's
Yes,
quite
yes,
easy to get
definitely.
partner to have conversation with. So yes, because of that too. So I started like this only. And apart from that, I am also very means what can I say? Yes, I also have a hobby of reading. Earlier, I also started with self-help books. I also have that atomic habit which you have mentioned, but I
Also,
didn't
yeah.
that I didn't read that book seriously. I read just I think 10 pages of that book, maybe. Yes. After that, I thought that I know all these things. So it's not like that. Means it's not my cup of tea. So I shouldn't read these kind of books. And finally, I came to know that fictional books are my cup of tea. These are something which where I can retain my interest. Yes, I can read them without any kind of burden. So nowadays I'm into
Okay.
fictional books. Yes, I have read 6 to 7 fictional books till now. Nowadays I
Wow.
don't have yes, nowadays I don't have any book to read because of my other works too. So yes, I will order some books online and then I will again read any fictional book. Yes. So yes, and apart from that, I also watch and listen more and more content in English. Initially, I also used to spend my 5 to 6 hours continuously to watch or listen content in English. But these days, I'm quite busy in my other schedule too. So whenever I get time, I watch something in English on YouTube. But I am not spending a lot of time nowadays, I can say. Yes. So watching, if I talk about watching part, so I love watching kid stories in English. I like
Okay,
that. Yes, short
amazing,
stories.
amazing.
Yes. Because people say that you should watch podcasts and all this and that, but it's not easy to watch podcast all the time because it's quite monotonous, quite boring. We can't retain our
Yeah,
interest,
it is.
can't feel happy by watching podcasts all the time. So because of that too, and I consider myself as a beginner. So for a beginner, it's very important to start with small stories and kid stories. So yes, I like that too. Yes, I'm quite bad at writing part, I can say. As I have told you that 3 months before I
Same
have
here,
started,
same here. I'm also lacking in writing.
as I have started told you that 3 months ago I started my journey, and since then I just write things. I just wrote for 5 or 6 days in 3 months. So yes, I'm quite bad at writing part, I can say. Yes. So yes, till now I'm just having conversation with people and doing all the things. This is my journey.
Wow, they sound literally awesome, amazing, and very hardworking person you are.
Yes.
Literally. Ma'am, it happens with everyone.
Right.
When I also started my journey like reading or writing, I
Mhm.
felt like somewhere I'm feeling like it's a monotonous or bored task for me. I
Right.
didn't able to do it, but I started 2 or 3 days and I did. But after 2 or 3 days, I felt like it's not my cup of tea at all.
Okay.
I'm not doing I'm not giving lot of time for this. I'm doing lot of I am only giving much time conversation or
Okay.
watching videos over YouTube or listening. Yeah,
Right.
because it's my cup of tea.
Right.
That's why.
Right.
Oh, ma'am, I think every beginner face this type of problems. At beginner at initial stage. You know, so I think one more challenge beginners facing when they started their journey, ma'am, it's fear of making mistakes, fear of
Right.
being judged. You know,
Right. Right.
fear of people when when I will speak in front of others, people
Mhm.
laugh at me. You know,
Right.
this,
Right.
earlier I also thought these kind of everything like
Same.
when I try to speak, people laugh at me, my family members laugh at me,
Okay.
but
Yeah.
after some time I realized without speaking without speaking, I'm not able to be speak.
Right.
I'm not
Right.
able to be able to speak. I need to speak. If I really want to I really want to learn this language, I really want to become fluent English speaker, I
Mhm.
should speak.
Right.
And
I
I decided, and my fear little bit reduced by deciding this thing. And after connecting with people, automatically this fear reduce.
right. I think taking the first step is difficult. If we
Yeah, yeah,
have took that first step,
always,
and yes,
always.
other things are easy then. And yes, I think nowadays people don't have that much time that they will judge us and they will mock at us. Yes, so we shouldn't think about this thing that somebody will mock us or somebody will judge us. And yes, if we are talking with any YouTuber, or any person who have a YouTube channel. So it's very easy that that person means to talk with that person, because we know that video is going to post on YouTube, and nobody will want that he will be judged by others, that he is not making their learners comfortable, or he is mocking their learners. So yes, so
Yes.
everything is cordial on YouTube nowadays. If yes, if they maybe they are thinking in their mind that this learner is not quite fluent or he is making mistake, but they can't express that thing, because yes, that video is going to post on YouTube. So we shouldn't think about that thing, I can say. And yes, in on YouTube, everyone is cordial. Nobody is going to judge you. Nobody is going to mock at you. Instead, they will motivate you. They will praise you. That yes, if you are making mistake here, then the other part is you are doing excellent. On the other part, you are doing excellent. So yes, we shouldn't think about others. It's our
Yeah,
life.
yeah, yeah.
We
Definitely,
are the maker of
definitely.
our life, so we shouldn't think about others. Yes, but yes, initially we feel everyone feel like this.
Everyone feels like this.
Right, right. Yes,
But over time, if we are able to understand it, nobody cares about it. You are making mistakes or like this. You know,
right,
no
right,
one has much time to judge you.
right.
We need to
Everyone is
understand
busy
it.
in their life. Yes, everyone is busy in their life. They don't have time to
Yeah,
think
yeah.
about us. Yes, right.
So, do you have any other question? Anything?
Yes, I wanted to ask you that did you ever face this kind of situation where somebody asked you something in English and you were not able to reply that person in English? Because it happened with me twice. One day I was in a temple in my hometown. So I think a girl, she was from South India. So she asked me a question. Means I didn't know about the answer of that question, seriously. But still, she asked me something that where is that location? And I was not able to tell her that, ma'am, I don't know.
Oh my
I
God.
I didn't even speak a single word. And at that time, I felt so bad. After that girl went, I felt so bad that at least I should have told her that, ma'am, I don't know whatever you are asking. But yes, it happened with me, and I felt very embarrassed after that. And one day I was in Ranikhet. So yes, I think a man. He was also from South India, from I don't know where. So he also asked me few questions. Means what are you doing here? For whom you are waiting here? And all and all. I told him. Means I spoke with him in English, but at that time too, I was feeling in my mind, or I was thinking in my mind, why this person is asking so many questions to me? Why isn't he going from here and all like that? So at that time too, I felt quite embarrassed that yes, means I spoke with him, but I was feeling that I can do better. I could do better in that situation. So yes, these two incidents happened with me. So did it happen with you ever?
Not this like incident happened with me earlier, but yeah, one incident happened with me. You know, when I started my college, you know,
Okay.
that time I had to task to give my introduction. Okay,
Okay.
in front of classroom, in front
Okay.
of all students, everyone.
Mm-hmm.
And that time I had lots of fear, you know,
Okay.
how to speak and how to communicate and what I should speak, you know.
Yes. Yes. Mm-hmm.
I didn't have any clarity about it. So
Okay.
when my teacher asked me, please come and introduce yourself. I
Okay.
denied. I denied. I I I I spoke. I told him, sorry, I didn't able to do this. You know,
Okay.
I don't have I don't have any word to speak in front of students or you.
Right.
He told me, I don't expect you. I
Right.
don't expect this type of reply. So that time I felt very embarrassing or very so bad. Why
Right.
why I don't able to do it. I I felt very embarrassing, so bad about me.
Right. Right.
But
Right.
that day also I decided, one day definitely I would able to present myself in front of peoples, in front of public, everyone. One day definitely. So
Right.
yeah, today I am working on myself, and now I think I'm able to do.
Right. After listening you, I can also recall a memory of mine when I enrolled in my graduation. And yes, our senior gave us a fresher party. And that time, I also had to introduce myself in front of everyone. I gave my interview, but on 2x speed, I can say. I just told them my name is that, this, and that. I have completed my graduation from this and that. So it was very fast, I can say. And I didn't do eye contact with anyone.
You know,
And
ma'am, because yeah, go ahead.
after that, we had to do dance also. At that time too, I did the same thing. I didn't had any kind of eye contact with anybody. I just did the dance by watching down. And yes, somehow I completed. I ran from there. So yes,
Yes,
happened with me too.
it happens, because of fear, because of hesitation,
The
we are
stage.
not able to like a good present be a good presentation or introduction, be taking it very fast and speaking fast. No one able to get anything,
Right,
because of like feel like sweating, hand shivering,
right,
everything, and simultaneously our heartbeat increasing lots of. Yeah, I felt one day,
right.
that time I as I told you earlier, I
Yes.
felt everything.
Right. I think I also have a stage fear, but yes, I have a dream that I want to do public speaking. Oh, at least once I want to do public speaking. Means I want to speak confidently in thousands of people. Among thousands of people, I want to speak.
But
So this,
definitely you would be able, definitely.
yes, if I work hard, only then
Yeah,
I
yeah,
want
yeah.
to do that. Yes. So
Ma'am, if anyone wants to do anything in her or his life,
right,
he will be able to do anything. But
right,
first we need to courage, and we need to put hard work in that work. We
right,
can
right,
do
right.
everything, whatever things we want to do in our lives, everything we can do.
Right. Actually, seriously. Actually, I had a conversation with a tutor on YouTube, and I asked her that, ma'am, what is the most important thing in order to learn this language? So she told me that the most important thing in order to learn this language is just believe in yourself that you can
Yes,
do.
definitely, definitely.
And seriously, not only for this language, for everything. We have to believe in ourselves. And if we are believing in ourselves, so we can do that thing for sure.
Ma'am,
Yes.
always doubt on, always be able to doubt on self, ourselves. We think, no, I can't do it. Always be doubt. Always. That's why, whatever we have, we lose everything.
Right.
Because of
Right.
because of underconfident, because of doubt, every time doubting phase. So yeah, we need to believe in ourselves.
Right, right. We have to believe in ourselves. Otherwise, we have a lot of potential, but because of our self-doubt or our fear, we are not able to show that potential to the world.
Yes, I totally agree with your point.
Right. So I think now we have to wrap up this session. And it was an amazing session with you. I enjoyed a lot. And yes, I have learned a lot of things from you.
I'm
Yes.
also feeling over the moon because of this is my second session with you, and literally I'm feeling literally awesome.
Seriously, I also have
I
a lot of things to discuss, but yes, because of time constraint, we can't go further. Otherwise, I have a lot of things to discuss with you. Seriously. Yes.
okay, next time definitely will be conduct next session.
Yeah,
I love to
seriously.
conduct with you, and definitely in future I would be love to conduct with you
Yeah.
as
Same
soon
here.
as possible.
Yes, for sure.
So
So,
thank
yes,
you.
yes. Nice to talk with you. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much also. Bye, ma'am. Take care.
You too.